Hey beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks for those who are new here. And if you're watching this video for the first time, welcome and consider subscribing. And on today's video, we are diving into a topic that has been bustling for a while. Which Caribbean island is the best for Black women expats? Whether you are looking for a fresh start, a slower pace of life, or a place to reconnect with your roots, the Caribbean has something for everyone. But which island is the ultimate paradise for the Black women experts? Let's explore. The Caribbean is a region of stunning islands, each with its own culture, history, and vibe. From the bustling energy of Jamaica to the laid-back charms of Barbados, each island offers a unique experience. But for Black women looking to move abroad, it's important to find the perfect balance of lifestyle, safety, opportunities, and community support. And so, what are we looking at when deciding which island is the best? And I'm going to give you like 5 factors that will help you make that decision. And number 1 is safety. How secure is the environment for women, especially women of color? Another thing is the cost of living. Can you live comfortably without breaking the bank? Another thing is about the cultural acceptance. How welcoming are the locals towards Black expats? Another thing is job and business opportunities. Is it easy to find work or start a business? And another thing is about the healthcare and wellness. Is there access to good healthcare? And first up, Jamaica. Jamaica, known for its rich culture, food, and music. Jamaica offers a strong sense of community for Black women. The island has a long history of Afro-Caribbean culture, and you will feel right at home with a strong sense of identity. But Jamaica is not without its challenges. Safety can be an issue in certain areas, and the cost of living is relatively high. But, however, if you are into entrepreneurship, Jamaica has a growing economy with opportunities in tourism and business. So, if you agree with me, leave a comment and like this video. Next, we have Barbados, the game of Eastern Caribbean. Known for its stability, Barbados is one of the safest Caribbean islands. And for Black women experts, Barbados offers a balanced lifestyle with a great healthcare and a welcoming atmosphere. The cost of living can be on a higher side, but the quality of life more than makes up for it. Plus, Bajan culture is rich with African heritage, making it a culturally fulfilling place to live. So, looking for something more dynamic, Trinidad and Tobago offers a vibrant mix of cultures. And thanks to its African, Indians, and European influences, Trinidad's bustling economy offers great job opportunities, especially in oil, gas, and manufacturing industries, while Tobago is more laid back, perfect for those who are seeking a quietier lifestyle. The island is generally welcoming to, but the cost of living is moderate. And it's ideal if you want a balance between career and relaxation. And last, but certainly not least, the Bahamas. This group of islands is known for its proximity to the US and its excellent expat community. Black women experts will find the Bahamas welcoming, with easy access to both modern amenities and the cultural experiences. And the cost of living can be high, especially in tourist areas, but the safety and quality of life are big draws. And with a growing expert network, you will never feel alone. And so, which Caribbean island is the best for Black women experts? It really depends on what you are looking for. If safety and stability are your priorities, Barbados or the Bahamas might be your top choice. If you want rich culture and a vibrant community, Jamaica or Trinidad could be perfect for you. Whatever your decision, the Caribbean offers a little slice of paradise for everyone. And before we wrap up, let's talk about some key tips for Black women expats moving to the Caribbean. Making that leap to live on an island is exciting, but it's also important to be well prepared for the transition. First things first. Don't don't just rely on what you see online. Try to visit your chosen island at least once before making the big move. Spend time in different neighborhoods. Talk to locals and get a feel for daily life. This will help you make a more informed decision about whether the island suits your lifestyle and needs. Every Caribbean island has its own set of legal requirements for residency, work permits, all starting a business. Be sure to research the legal process thoroughly before moving. Some islands like Barbados offers special programs like the welcome stamp that make it easier for remote workers to live there for extended period. Moving to a new country can be challenging, so having a support system in place is crucial. Join expert groups on social media, attend local meetups, and don't be afraid to network with other Black women who have already made the move. They can give you invaluable advice and help you adjust to island's life. Another thing is the cost of living in Caribbean can vary greatly depending on the island and your lifestyle. Make sure to create a solid budget and have enough saving to cover any unexpected expenses. Also look into opening a local bank account and researching currency exchange rates, especially if you are still working with international clients or managing finances from abroad. So you should note that one of the best parts of moving to the Caribbean is the rich cultural experience. Whether it's the food, music, festivals, all the traditions, embrace the local culture with an open mind and heart. This will help you integrate faster, and you will find that the more you immerse yourself, the more fulfilling your expert life will be. And living in the Caribbean as a Black woman expert can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Whether you are looking for a place to retire, work remotely, or simply reconnect with your cultural roots, the highlands offer endless possibilities. But remember, the perfect island is not just about the beauty, it's about finding a place that feels like home. So take your time, do your research, and trust your feelings. The right island is out there, waiting for you to create the life of your dreams. So thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content about the expert life, travel, and personal growth. And don't forget to drop a comment below on what you would like to see in our next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.